Now see the problem, open loop transfer function of unity feedback is gs equals to s plus 1 का whole cube upon s square. Find the type and the order. Here the open loop of unity feedback is nothing but the closed loop transfer function. Okay, so what will the order? Order will be nothing but the number of poles at the origin, so it is 2. So order is 2. For finding the type, we have to convert this closed loop transfer function into an open loop transfer function, that is gs hs equals to s plus 1 का whole cube upon s square plus s plus 1 का whole cube. That is nothing but a cube plus b cube plus s into a s plus 1 plus s square, that is nothing but s plus 1 का whole cube upon s cube plus 2s square plus s plus 1. So type is 3. Total pole at the of the open loop, total number of the open loop pole in the open loop transfer function. Okay, so total number of pole, and what is the type? It is nothing but the number of so we will discuss about the different type of the feedback system. Here two types of feedback system is drawn on the display. Now see, it's the negative feedback system, it's positive feedback system. Why it's negative feedback system? Because we are giving the output from the feedback to the input as in negative form. This is negative form, that's why it's negative feedback system. And here in case of this, it is positive feedback system, because from the output we are giving the feedback as a feedback to the as a positive. That's why it's positive feedback system. It's cs by rs, transfer function is cs by rs, output upon input equals to gs upon 1 minus gs into hs. Okay, and in case of this, it is gs upon 1 plus gs into hs. So in this case, transfer function is what? Of course less the man, because it's addition, that is denominator will be high as compared to numerator. That means its value, transfer function is less. That means gain is high. Okay, no problem. But unit gain bandwidth will be high, noise is less. Okay, and input resistance is high, gain is less, unit gain bandwidth is 1, noise is less, input resistance is high. Here it is gs upon 1 minus gs into hs, that means denominator is less than numerator, that means transfer function is high. Okay, because it is less. Okay, now see that if the feedback gain is non-unity, then it should be converted to unity feedback system for stable. Okay, if feedback gain is what? Here it is hs, here it is hs. If it is in negative, in non-unity, then we should convert into unity. We will discuss in further. Okay, and the condition is only when condition is for the feedback system that g w into hw, that means gain into feedback system, it should be always greater than 0. Then only the steady state error are valid for only unity feedback system. Okay. Condition क्या है? Feedback gain is unity, then it should be converted to unity. मतलब अगर feedback का gain है, feedback gain means hs. hs is if its hs is non-unity. Okay, then it can be converted into unity. It can be converted into unity. Okay, if feedback gain is non-unity, it should be converted into unity only when gs into hs is greater than 0. This is the condition for converting non-unity feedback system to unity feedback system. Okay, And how we will convert, we'll see. Okay, that means gs upon 1 plus gs into hs. That means it should be greater than 0. That means it should be greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, obviously then it is this condition of negative feedback system. Because negative feedback system improve the relative stability. Okay, this, if condition is this, hs into hs, gs into hs is greater than 0, then it will increase the relative stability. That means the negative feedback, it is negative feedback. No, it will be always, when it's greater than, means it is negative feedback system, and it will increase the relative stability. Okay, and we know that the steady state error, which we are finding further, are valid for only unity feedback system. So for finding the steady state error, that means steady state error. Okay, steady state error, we have to convert the non-unity feedback system into unity feedback system, which will be only done when gs into hs is greater than 0. This is the condition. This is the condition for converting the non-unity to unity feedback system. Okay. Now we know what is HS actually. Actually, feedback network consists of the sensor and the passive component is there. Okay, and the maximum gain of feedback ratio is 1. Its maximum gain is always 1. It's nothing but consists of resistance, conductance, inductance, capacitance. Okay, resistance, inductance, capacitance. Okay, and sensor is there basically. This is only the, we will discuss further. Okay, it may be consist of, feedback may consist of the transducer. Okay, may be consist of the transducer, which convert the energy one form to another form. Let us suppose that if it is we are in a fan is there, let us assume fan or any heater is there, we are giving the electricity as an input and we are getting the output as a heat. So HS will convert, it will convert heat into electricity. Okay, so it may be used as a transducer sometime because it convert the energy. Okay, now we will discuss the transfer function. What is the transfer function? Let's see the transfer function. Okay. Now this is the problem. Open loop transfer function of a unity feedback system is gs equals to s plus 1 to power q upon s square, then find the type and order. Here it is the open loop transfer of unity feedback system, and it is the basically unity feedback system. That means hs equals to 1. That is means what? The feedback is equals to 1 means it's a unity feedback system of a OLTF, that is closed loop transfer function. And for closed loop transfer function, only order can be calculated. No type. So for finding, for order, gs is given. So gshs is equals to s plus 1 whole cube upon s square plus s cube plus 1 plus s plus 1, which is given nothing but s plus 1 का whole cube upon s square plus s cube plus s square plus s plus 1. That is nothing but s cube, s plus 1 cube upon s cube plus 2s square plus s plus 1. Okay, that means the type will be order will be 3. Okay, here we can see that we cannot we cannot find a common s, that is common s, that is the pole at origin. Okay, so no type can be calculated from this question, only an order can be calculated. Okay, next question, let's see. Before going to start solve a new problem, let us have one good concept, that if you have given the open loop function, okay, and we want open loop function or open loop like g upon 1 plus g, okay, if you want to convert into closed loop, for closed loop we just add to this one, okay, to the numerator should be added to denominator, and that is nothing but g upon 1 plus g plus g, okay. For if there is a closed loop function is given and we want to find the open loop function, then it is g upon 1 plus g, nothing but it should be subtracted, that is g upon 1 plus g minus g, that will cancel, that is g basically. So this that is nothing but closed loop function. Okay, closed loop function is there. Now see the next question. Now see, the question is on the screen, that find the system gain and order to the given system where Cs upon Rs equals to 10 into s plus 5 whole square upon s cube into s plus 2 into s plus 10. So it is what? It is a pole zero format, pole and zero format, pole zero format it is. We have been asked to find the order and the gain. In pole zero format, that is open loop system, okay. Now see, so from its open loop system, so open loop system S this, so its order will be the power, the highest, the power of the pole in the denominator, the power of the S, that is 3. So order is 3 basically, order is 3, order is nothing but number of pole at the origin, number of pole at the origin in the open loop transfer function, okay, it's gonna. Now for gain calculation, we know that standard format is that, standard form we have to convert into a standard form to that equation in like this, 1 plus s tau 1 into 1 plus s tau 2 upon s ka power n 1 plus s tau a into 1 plus s tau b. So in this format we have to just put, so cs by rs, okay, equals to what? 10 into, we have to take common, because for 1 we have to take out the s. So if you want to take out the s, that means 10, it is a square now. So if we divide, okay, let us suppose a simple thing, we will do one thing, okay, let's see. Now see, if we want to take out the 5 निकालेंगे तो हो जाएगा, 5 बाहर निकालेंगे अगर, तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, प्लस 5 से अगर 5 बाहर निकालते हैं तो लिखना पड़ेगा ना एस स्क्वायर एस 1 प्लस एस बाई 5, ओके, एस बाई 5 अपॉन, ये तो बाहर में है, ना इनटू, इसमें से हम निकालेंगे क्या होगा, s बाई 1 प्लस, निकाल दे 2 बाहर निकालेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा 1 प्लस s बाई 2 इंटू, इससे निकालेंगे तो हो जाएगा 1 प्लस s बाई 10, फिर इसमें से हम 10 निकालें तो 10 मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा हमें, तो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, 10 इंटू 525 अपॉन 2 इंटू 10 इंटू s क्यूब अपॉन 1 प्लस s बाई 2 इंटू 1 प्लस s by 10. Okay, this is now we get. So it is 250. Basically, it is 250 by 20, and then that is how much? That is basically, write directly 12.5 into 1 plus 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.25. 1 by 5 is nothing but 0.25 s, okay, upon s cube into 1 plus s by 2 means 1 plus 0.5 s into 1 plus 0.1 s. So this is clear. Writing 0.5 s. Now, so see, this is actually the gain. जब हम s common, when we just convert this into standard form, and this is what here, compare this to this one. So k is 12.5 is the gain. गेन के लिए हम 1 plus s के फॉर्म में करते हैं. गेन के लिए हम 1 plus s डॉट के फॉर्म में करते हैं, इसको कन्वर्ट करते हैं, और जो वैल्यू कॉमन जाने बाहर आती है न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर से, वो गेन वैल्यू होता है. बाहर आया, ओके, ये बाहर आया, ये बाहर आया, और होने का फाइनली ये दैट इज द गेन वैल्यू. ओके, है ना. तो गेन वैल्यू हो गया हमारा, इसका टाइप हो गया, टाइप हमारा ये हो गया. अगर हम ऑर्डर निकालना चाहते हैं तो अब तो ऑर्डर निकल जाएगा. ओके, तो ऑर्डर हो गया इसका. ऑर्डर तो ऑलरेडी निकाले हुए, ऑर्डर 3 हो गया. टाइप के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? पोल ओरिजिन मेथड. तो टाइप इज नथिंग बट, अरे ऑर्डर क्या होता है? ऑर्डर इज नथिंग बट और टोटल नंबर ऑफ ओपनली पोल्स इन द ओपनली ट्रांसफर फंक्शन. टोटल नंबर ऑफ कितना है? एस सॉरी इट्स 5. It's 5 actually, and this is also 5. Type is 3. Why? Because type is what? Type is the number of pole at the origin. So number of pole at the origin is n, that is the 3. So type is 3. Okay, and order is the total number of pole, open loop pole. Total number of open loop pole is how much? S3. That will be S3 into this S into this S. So it will be S to the power 5. So this is the basically order of this question. Now see the next question. Okay. Unit response of unity feedback system is next. Unit step response of unity feedback system is given by Ct equals to 1 plus exponential minus 4t minus 2 exponential minus 2t into ut. Determine type, order. Okay. Now see, basically this is the question. Question is on the screen that unit step response of a unity feedback system is Ct equals to 1 plus exponential minus 4t minus 2 equal to minus 2t into ut. Determine the type and order. It's very simple. It's unit step response of unity feedback system. That means unity feedback system is the closed loop system. That means closed loop system. That means Laplace inverse of Ct is nothing but Laplace, ये Ct दिया हुआ है, तो अगर हमको निकालना Cs तो लाप्लास कर देंगे इसका. लाप्लास ऑफ Ct इक्वल्स टू लाप्लास ऑफ 1 प्लस एक्सपोनेंशियल माइनस 4t माइनस 2 एक्सपोनेंशियल माइनस 2t इंटू ut. What will we get? We'll get we'll get 1 by s plus 1 by s plus 4 minus 2 by 1 plus s plus 2. Okay, we'll get this one. Now see cs by rs for the unit step response के लिए क्या होगा, g upon 1 plus g, the normal formula, that is Laplace of the unit step response upon Laplace of unit step response, मतलब जो आउटपुट है हमारा यूनिट स्टेप रिस्पॉन्स ऑफ यूनिटी फीडबैक सिस्टम. ओके, अपॉन यूनिट स्टेप, हमें यूनिट स्टेप दिया, यूनिट स्टेप रिस्पॉन्स मिला, तो क्या हो जाएगा, हमें क्या यूनिट स्टेप रिस्पॉन्स दिया हुआ है यहाँ पे. तो वी कैन राइट हियर दैट 1 by s minus 1 by s, okay, 1 by s plus 1 by s plus 4 minus 2 by s plus 2 by unit step function is nothing but 1 by s, and that's finally after solving this one we'll get what will get s plus 4 into s plus 2, okay, plus s into s plus 2, okay, plus s into s plus 4, okay, 4 by s into s plus 4 into s plus 2 upon 1 by s. So in solving what we will get that अब हो जाएगा s क्यूब, एक s कॉमन ले लिया तो s स्क्वायर 4s प्लस 8 अपॉन s स्क्वायर 5s स्क्वायर प्लस 2s प्लस 8. ना हो गया. अब देखिए ये जो आंसर हुआ कितना होगा, ये एस स्क्वायर प्लस 4s प्लस 8 अपॉन 5s स्क्वायर प्लस 2s प्लस 8. तो मैक्सिमम जो नंबर ऑफ पोल है, टोटल नंबर ऑफ पोल कितना है एक्चुअली, यहाँ पे ऑर्डर निकालना पड़ेगा. ऑर्डर क्या होता है, मैंने नंबर ऑफ पोल्स कितने हैं, नंबर ऑफ पोल्स, ठीक है, इसका ऑर्डर हो जाएगा 2. और वो करने के लिए एस स्क्वायर प्लस 4s प्लस 8 अपॉन 5s स्क्वायर प्लस 2s प्लस 8 से कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. और टाइप के लिए ओपन में इसलिए उसके लिए क्या बोले थे, जी अपन 1 प्लस जी आएगा तो उसको इधर माइनस कर दीजिएगा, तो ये हमारा ओपन में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा, प्लस क्लोज लूप में आएगा. तो ठीक है, तो माइनस एस स्क्वायर माइनस 4s माइनस 8, so एस स्क्वायर प्लस 4s प्लस 8 तो हो जाएगा 4s स्क्वायर प्लस 4s लिया, 4s माइनस 2s 4s है एंड माइनस स्क्वायर, तो क्या हो जाएगा s square plus 4s plus 8 upon s common element 4s minus 2 6 s common Now next question है कि closed loop transfer function is given here. We have to calculate the order and type. Okay. Now for order and type. So order is what? Is the total number of polar open loop. Okay. Now for this, order is what? Order is five for pole for type. So convert करना पड़ेगा सी इक्वल टू ट्रांसफर फंक्शन को ओपन में, दैट इज सी एस बाई आर एस. इसको माइनस करना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे 3s प्लस 7 बाय 2s 4 plus 4s cube plus 6s square plus 3s plus 7 minus 3s minus 7. 3s 7 cancel out, so it will be 3s plus 7 upon s ka power 5 plus 2 s ka power 4 plus 4s cube plus 6 square. अगर हम कॉमन लें इसमें से तो क्या आ जाएगा हमारा 3s प्लस 7 आ जाएगा हमारा. स्क्वायर कॉमन आ सकता है, स्क्वायर अपॉन s का पावर 3 प्लस 2s का पावर 2 प्लस 4s का पावर प्लस 6. सो ऑर्डर विल बी व्हाट? सॉरी, टाइप विल बी 2. ओके, लेट्स सी. Okay, it's over. Now we will see in the next class the characteristics equation of any system.